Hello, everybody. I'm Rudrani, and welcome to Filmfare OTT Awards 2025. She, for me, is the performance of the year. It's the film of the year. A film that so beautifully dissects complex characters, complex relationships, and of course, a film that is about women, that is about understanding women. But I'm, of course, talking about Mrs. Anne Sania Malhotra. Thank you for doing this. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
How are you? It's the year of Sania Malhotra.
Oh my God. Is it? I feel really grateful. I'm nominated tonight and I'm here with Aarti. I'm so grateful that she chose me to play Richa. And I'm so grateful for the nomination. I'm so grateful for this year. Like, I'm filled with gratitude.
I feel that, like I said, it's been such a special role. I feel it has been dissected, it has been celebrated, and people have spoken about a character like this, trying to understand the layers within. I think that's a win itself.
It is, 100%. I feel so amazing when I meet women and they tell me that they saw themselves in Richa. Or it's their story. They open up and they share their story with me. I feel so good when that happens. Also, though the film was an OTT release, it has a mass appeal. I was in Bhopal for a small event and I met so many women there and they were like, oh my god, aapne Mrs. Kari, thank you so much, ye hamari kahani hai. And I just love being a woman and telling these sort of stories about women. So I feel amazing that as an actor I get that platform and these opportunities to tell amazing stories like Mrs.
I know you've heard it a lot of times. I'd like to say again, you are incredible in Mrs. Absolutely one of my favorite films of the year, and the nuance that you bring in and the kind of depth that you got in the characters, so amazing. We are cheering for you, Sania. Before I let you go, some more things, some more questions. Are you ready? Okay. What are your favorite shows this year that you saw? Give a reason why you choose them.
Anjali in Bad Girl. Yeah, yeah. Oh.
What is the misconception about actors that you'd like to break today?
That we are all always late. I'm never late. But there are actors who are late, but I'm never late.
What is one quality or one thing that you'd like the world to take away from Mrs. And the character that you play?
Love yourself, choose yourself, and you will always find the person that will admire you for that.
Last one is Sanya. If a one-liner, I wouldn't say advice, but a one-liner learning that you have from your journey that you'd like to share with all the young actors who want to join the industry today.
Just do it. If you have an intuition that this is what I want to do in life, listen to that intuition and go for it.
Thank you so much for being who you are and the choices that you make. It's going to be so much fun because she is hosting tonight. Hello. Look at you, beautiful.
Thank you. Look at you. We are gold girls.
In all the gold.
Absolutely. The
Sona.
golden bongles.
The golden bongles. Which like I said, hosting is a art, I've realized. And also, it's also for OTT awards, right? There is a certain kind of expectation. You'll have to be witty, you'll have to be knowledgeable, and I think you're all of that. I want to say that. So tell me, I'm sure you don't take too much of stress on it, but were they kind of prep? Were you like, you had an idea of which way you want to go?
No, we had a couple of days. We sort of, actually, yesterday we brainstormed. These guys came home. We spent many hours on the script and rewrote everything basically. And in the afternoon, we hosted one set of awards. It was fine. I hope in the evening it's even better. And yeah, the idea is to just be comfortable and have fun. And Amol Parashar, who's also fantastic, he's co-hosting with me. And we've been friends. And it's a room full of friends and colleagues, So again, as long as we don't fumble, I think we are good.
I think you're going to kill it, okay? I have to quickly let you go and answer some fun questions, okay? Quickly. All right, let's go. A show that you've absolutely loved this year.
I just watched The Beast in Me, and I quite enjoyed it. Yeah.
Love it. Who?
Slow Horses is my absolute favorite. So yeah.
Okay, you'll have to tell me an actor who you think still remains underrated and has to be celebrated more.
Yeah. Yeah.
You better give more love to Shayani Gupta. She's amazing. Have you seen Delhi Crime, guys? I'm there. I'll do it. Okay. What is the weirdest audition that you had to give?
Oh, many. In one audition, I had to, on the same day, I was chosen already, but they were casting the man opposite me. And I had to literally make out with 3 men in a scene where I also break down and cry. And, so it was a very, very intense is actually an underrated word compared to what the scene was. So yeah, it was very strange. And by the end of the day, I was feeling quite strange, honestly, because in a scene when you do it, it's different. But to do that with and not for my or not auditioning for myself, but when the other guy was auditioning as well, so it was a very strange kind of day to do that with 3 people. Yeah.
100%. Whoa. Okay. A misconception about actors that you would like to break today.
Oh, that actors are dumb. Yeah, because I don't know, people keep saying, oh, actor head, but actually that's not true. You have to be extremely intelligent and emotionally intelligent as well. Also, have an exposure to the outer world, be well read, be extremely perceptive to be a good actor.
Thank you so much, Shayani. We are rooting for you. Have a wonderful night ahead, and it's going to be amazing. I'm with the host who has kept the energy up, who has been the man of the moment. Of course, Amol Parash Amol. What a night.
थैंक यू यार मुझे मैं अभी बोल रहा था कि मुझे आज समझ में आया कि आप लोगों का काम मुश्किल है बिकॉज यू हैव टू बी ऑन योर फीट ऑल द टाइम एंड योर माइंड हैज़ टू बी ऑन इट्स फीट ऑल द टाइम बिकॉज सो मेनी थिंग्स हैपनिंग ऑन स्टेज बिहाइंड द स्टेज तो एक स्क्रीन भी है पढ़ने के लिए, कान में भी कोई बोल रहा है, कुछ चीज़ें चेंज भी हो रही हैं. इट्स वेरी क्या बोलते हैं उसको, chaotic this thing, but you have to keep a smile on your face and you have to look like you have things under control, and I think I managed fairly good. Yeah.
All that I hear, you were incredible and you kept the energy up. I want to know, what was the most fun for you? In this entire hosting game, what was that you truly observed and enjoyed?
I don't know. I hope it doesn't sound very weird, but I got to share stage with Alia Bhatt for the first time, and I wanted her to stay back for a few more awards, but उन्होंने कान में बोला कि now she can go. So I said okay, now she has to go. But it's good to have so many people that you admire, whose work you love and have loved, and all of them, to see them in the audience, for them to be watching you, and for them to be sharing stage with you. I think it's a great feeling. So I'm happy I did this, and I'm happy this happened.
Amol, it's been a fantastic year for you. You've given such different, varied characters, and I think OTT is truly the place that give wings to actors like you who want to do crazy things. Yes. Would you like to comment on this?
Would I like to come? Yeah, I mean, it's true. You're saying 2 shows came out this year, 2 very different shows from each other, and 2 very different characters. And it was, you're right, I think what happens with OTT, the good thing that happens in OTT, that the range of stories and the range of genre and even the, maybe if I may say, some kind of risk taking, even with casting, like, for a show like Kul, for example, and with that kind of character, traditionally I might not seem like the right fit, because most people see me as a nice guy because I fool them. I try to be a good person, but it's not a very conventional choice. So I think there is still space in OTT to have the opportunity to do things, varied kind of things, different kinds of stories, different structures, different characters, and and which is why we all love OTT, and which is why I think everyone turned up for these awards.
100%. Thank you so much.